Every single day, truck drivers across North America skip one of the most critical parts of their pre-trip inspection, their tires. These tires carry 80,000 pounds of vehicle and cargo at highway speeds. Yet a simple 5-minute tire check gets overlooked until it's too late. I'm here to show you what happens when tire maintenance is neglected and why this could be the difference between a normal day on the road, a costly breakdown on the side of the highway, or spending the night in jail. A proper tire inspection takes just 5 minutes and includes 3 critical checks. First, visual inspection. Look for cuts, bulges, exposed cords, or uneven wear. Second, tread depth. You need at least 4/32 of an inch on steer tires and 2/32 on other tires. Third, and most important, tire pressure. Every tire has a manufacturer's recommended pressure, which you'll find on your vehicle's door placard or in the owner's manual. Underinflated tires generate excessive heat, flex more than they should, and eventually fail. If you don't take the time to do this simple 5-minute check, you could face a roadside breakdown costing you hours of downtime and thousands in lost revenue. Worse, you could end up in a serious accident, or even in jail as the legal dominoes start to fall. Let's see what happens when a driver skips that inspection. It's a normal day. Traffic is moving smoothly. A driver in a passenger car is passing a commercial truck. But this truck has a problem. One of its tires is severely underinflated because the driver never checked it. The tire has been running hot for miles. Then it happens. The tire fails and separates from the rim, becoming a deadly projectile. In a split second, a family's life is changed forever. Someone's mother, father, son, or daughter gone, all because of a tire that should have been checked. What happens next? The driver is placed under arrest, facing charges of negligent operation, potentially vehicular manslaughter. His CDL license? Suspended or revoked. His company? Facing massive liability. His freedom? Possibly gone for years, all because he skipped a 5-minute tire inspection. Don't let this be you. Check your tires. Check your tire pressure to manufacturer specifications every single trip. It takes 5 minutes. It could save a life, save your life, prevent a costly breakdown, and keep you out of jail. Here's what you need to do today. Purchase a quality tire pressure gauge, review your company's tire inspection policy, and commit to checking every tire on every pre-trip inspection. Document your inspections with photos and keep records. Now, even with proper maintenance, tire emergencies can still happen. If you experience a tire failure or breakdown on the road, you need help fast. Visit 4roadservice.com, your directory for finding mobile truck tire service and emergency roadside repair anywhere in North America. When you're stranded, 4Road Service connects you with local mobile mechanics and tire services that come to you, minimizing your downtime and getting you back on the road quickly. Remember, prevention is your first line of defense, but when emergencies happen, have a plan. No load is worth your freedom. No schedule is worth someone's life. Do the inspection. Stay safe, stay legal, stay on the road. Visit 4roadservice.com for your emergency repair needs. Drive safe out there.